In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the GeForce error code 0x0003 on Windows 11. So it should be a quick and easy process video. And now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead, open up the device manager. After that, just give it a couple of moments to open up for you. And now just go ahead to display adapters, right-click on your driver, then update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers, and you should be all good to go. Just follow the steps. Mine is automatically updated, so check yours. Now just go ahead, type in services in the search menu below, as you can see, then go ahead, click on open. And from here, just give it a couple of moments, then click on any one of them, then type N. So you can search for Nvidia. As you can see, all the Nvidia devices should be here for you. Just go here, right-click on it, click on Properties. And from here, just select OK. If it's automatic, you should be all good to go. The next step is to go ahead and uninstall GeForce from your device manager. So let's head back to Device Manager, as you can see. Then after that, click on Display Adapters and choose your Nvidia and then uninstall it. So now just click on Uninstall and research your computer for changes to take place.